Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video here, just some different projects I got going on around the place here. Yeah, the orange truck, found a couple problems with it. It's been sitting a lot lately, and notice the exhaust is rusted around the bottom here, and it's leaking every time I start it. Smoke pours out of there, so need to replace the muffler. I got a free flow muffler on here. I'm gonna put another one on, Pittsburgh Power, or maybe I'll go back to Grand Rock. I've used those before. But we're gonna get that on. And then I noticed I got an air leak somewhere under the cab here. I got to hunt down, hoping that's not on top of the transmission again like last time, because that's a pain in the butt. But I also got a exhaust manifold leak in here. I got the full tilt performance exhaust manifold, so I don't think it's cracked, but I think the gasket's probably leaking. So I'll pull that apart and check. And then I have a bad, I don't know, at least one bad injector, maybe more. So I'm going to outsource that. I don't have the time to mess with that. So we're going to send that out to Detroit Diesel. And plus, the last time I had injectors put in, Detroit had to go through, I think, 9 injectors to get 6 good ones to put in. These Detroit reman injectors for the Series 60 kind of suck. So I want them all bench tested before they go in the truck, because just a hassle. It's a good drive to get there, and I'm not picking the truck up and having, you know, an injector go out or bad right away. So we're just gonna let Detroit Diesel handle that one. But let's go over to the shed here, because I got something kind of cool. So of course I still got the Classic here. I still got a bunch of work to do to that. Honestly, I bought it, I brought it home, I parked it right here, and that's where it's sat ever since. I just haven't had the time. We'll get into it soon, but it's gonna be quite a project. It's got a lot of work it needs in the dash, a lot of nitpicky this and that. This door needs a bunch of work, but mechanically, I mean, air leaks, pretty much most of it, but we'll get to this. I don't think I'm going to do any cosmetics stuff to it for a while, because you know, money's going to be tight if rates are down and stuff. So I'll just get it mechanically sound so we can haul some freight with it, and then we'll go a little bit at a time from there. But what's kind of cool is this baby right here. Check this out. You ever seen the movie Stripes, where they have the EM50 assault vehicle? This obviously isn't it. This is a 2006 Kenworth T300. Let's see all the lights and antennas and everything on it. This is a buddy of mine bought this, and it's a mobile communications vehicle is what it's going to be, what it was for the oil fields. And they bought it for their ham radio club. They're going to be emergency services for the county. And let me see if I can get this thing open here. And it's pretty cool inside. I ain't gonna pull the steps out and everything, but you got a whole freaking tower of electronics. About, I don't know, about a dozen monitors in here. This is an 84-inch flat screen TV tucked into the wall, but it's pretty freaking cool. It's got all your weather spotting and communications, just about anything you could ever think of for that type of stuff. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. So we brought it here because it's a 2006, but it's got, is it a 6 or a 16? I think it's a 6. Let me go check the door. But it's only got 28,000 miles on it. You know, the thing sits a lot. It's got the original drive tires on it, but they're all rotted out, so they need to be replaced. Darn near brand new lugs. Let's check. I think it's an 06. It's a 2007. My bad. 28,000 miles. So we brought it here to do a safety inspection on it. Everything's really, really good. We did a PM service on it. And really the thing it needed was the air conditioning doesn't work. So I had it in the shop. We found there's some cracked lines, replaced them. I had it in there pulling a vacuum on it, but now I had to pull it out. So it's just sitting here pulling a vacuum. And then I'll bring it back into the shop where it's warm. We'll finish it off. But I don't know, this thing's pretty cool. They named it after the movie Stripes. They named it the EM50. So yeah, probably won't be going to Russia with this one, but pretty cool nonetheless. And then what else we got here? I had a bunch of tires delivered. I got to stack these up inside. These came yesterday. I should have got them in before it snowed, but I wasn't feeling up to stacking them 8 high by myself. But we'll get around to it. See if you so if you see me walking around all hunched over with a broken back, you know I was trying to stack tires too high by myself. But it's pretty much everything for the moment, in addition to all the other day-to-day activities, which are just, they're taking all my time lately here. The office work and stuff. And then I've been on the road quite a bit, so it's kind of taking all my time. But at least, you know, I'd rather have stuff to do than nothing to do. You can probably hear the neighbor's dog really pissed at me. We got a neighbor with a Great Pyrenees that thinks he owns the neighborhood. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. Trying to get back into making more videos here. And check out the links in the description below. We'll see y'all next time.